The residents of Sokoban, Daaban are angry. They are demanding that the government comes immediately to fix their roads for them or face their wrath in the next general elections. Aggrieved residents resisting an intervention by the police to clear the road for motorists. Clad in red headgears and armbands, residents of Sokoban, including the traditional council of the area, mounted roadblocks preventing vehicles, including this ambulance, from accessing the route. These cars have been here for almost 2 hours. Some of them have been coming from Trede, Obuase, and adjoining communities to use these routes and easily reach the Kumasi city center. A police reinforcement numbering over 20, led by Ashanti Regional Deputy Police Commander ACP Kwesi Ano Ahin, eventually convinced the unrelenting residents to open the road for traffic. It's been 2 years now after contractors demarcated the road for construction. The 1 kilometer stretch of road in the community has since not seen its completion. Some residents claim to have paid some amount of money to pave the way for the road construction.
You fix the road just up here and you continue from the other side, leaving the main town. Why?
Looking at the stretch, it's not even up to 1 kilometer. So what we are doing is that we're just demonstrating for the government and other parties to know that we really want our road to be fixed. We've been to the various places that we need to be. I think this is the last resort. That's how we are taking. If nothing is done, every 2 weeks we are going to embark on this kind of demonstration.
It is alleged a stone god sitting close to the road is the cause of the stalled road project. Queen Mother for Sokoban, Oheneyere Sewa Ampoma says the traditional council is ready to pacify the goals for the construction to take off.
The main reason is that they've not given the houses involved their compensation. The gods, I came to meet it, so I can't use my own capability to take it. We have to do rituals, and I've let them know about it. So in due time, we will take it from there and the government will continue the work.
For Joy News, Emmanuel Bright Kweku reporting.